Labor Day 2021, which means we are in September. And we started this project at the end of February. Today is Backsplash Day, which means the kitchen is once again in disarray. But at some point it will be all put back together. Labor Day, does that mean that you do labor or that you are labor free? Not feeling very chatty today?
No, I'm trying to work on this. Gotta get that up. Let's see what we got.
So we are doing a white subway tile. I think white was the color that we went with. And pearl was another option, but we liked white. We found this at a local shop here near us, but I think they got it from Happy Floors. So you can see that there's the solid white subway tile, and then we're doing every 7th is a deco tile. So we're counting and trying to make sure that we get the deco pieces placed in the right spot. AJ is doing all the work and I am the wiper. That's my official job that he has given me. And he even put this little side piece here, kind of closes it off at the end. It is almost time to pick up my daughter from school, but I have been looking at this backsplash tile behind me and I just love it. My husband took off the little green spacer things, and I really like this backsplash. Here we are, real messy, real house again. The last tile of backsplash being laid. Today is cleaning day, wrapping up, putting the kitchen back together day, because things are a little bit out of order again because we've had to move things for the backsplash.
Yep, and all we got left now is grouting, a little bit of caulking, and maybe some painting. That's it. And then of course a little bit more decorating. Right, Jenny?
Yeah, because we're gonna get this all cleaned up and back to order. That way we can decorate for fall and
well, not only that, but
white
like,
pumpkins.
you still got your chairs to come in, a rug.
Yeah. Yes, we did sit down and order a few things. So here's the
last piece.
There's
eighth inch grout lines.
I can't get in there and see it that well while you're in front of it, but I'll show the other part of it. We of course have some dishes and things that we need to put away. Now here's the real kicker. I don't know if we've gotten this on video yet, but this piece right here
is perfect.
Can y'all see it? Do you see the piece before I point it out to you?
Perfect, nothing wrong with it.
This
Everything
piece
is great.
This piece seems to stand out to me. I think it's actually the pearl color instead of the white color.
Nah.
And it wouldn't stand out if all of this wasn't so perfect, because all of this is perfect. You can see those patterns are white. But this one has a little bit more of a tint. And so I think AJ is going to trade that one out.
I don't know about that, dude. It's not like a handshake and swap it out.
All right, so we are about to grout the floor, but first a little grout cleaning from the old tile, kind of sprucing that up a little bit. It's called Zep, and it's amazing. It works. It looks good.
Yeah, I was looking at a little gap down there, but we can fill that wall.
Yeah.
Set it all up. I wonder, I think the floor is level over there. I think maybe that trim they put on the caps is not level over there, but it's fine. I'll probably get some caulk. Just seal that to the ground. I'm real happy with how the grout turned out with the tile.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it blended together real good. I feel like everything's pretty level.
And there's not like a horrible haze on it. I can feel it a little bit on my feet, but it's way better than it was last night.
Yeah, I mean, I went over it after the drive this morning, and that got most of it. I think a couple more times it'll be pretty good. I wish the grout was a little better in here, but
Yeah, I did clean this with the Zep, isn't that what it's called? And
yeah,
it didn't come as
out
clean
good
as I would have
bathroom.
hoped.
Maybe
Yeah.
this like area right here come out good, like right here.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, we could always chip it out.
Yeah. So next, today is to grout this backsplash, right?
Is that what you want to do?
Well, I definitely am like feeling like I want to get it done. It doesn't look bad here. It doesn't look too bad here, but this is I'm gonna have to live with this tile.
It's fine.
I'm gonna have to live with it forever. I'm gonna put the cookie jar in front of it. But, I'm ready to be done, so, but I don't know. It doesn't look too bad on the camera right now, right?
Fine. Nobody noticed it that's been over here. Your mom, my mom, our neighbors.
That the carpet is soft.
Okay.
That's super soft.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. That's
Hello, Amazon. My bar stools just arrived. Look at here. Bar stools. I'm so excited. Okay, so the bar stools, counter stools arrived today, and my husband installed put them all together while we were gone to after school activities. So you can see that they are behind me. You can also see all the trash, and you can see where we've been eating dinner. Yeah, you can have that. So there it is. Very exciting. They're from Amazon. I believe they're a whiskey brown, and I'll put that link below.
All right, doing a pilot hole right here.
Okay, so we have been here talking, so I actually did not get to film what he was actually doing here, which would have been more fun to see. But this is his DeWalt battery.
Yep.
What else do you want to say?
Well, the batteries went bad. The 18650 cells went bad. It was like a brand new battery. And we had an old Dyson battery pack, and it just stopped charging, but all the cells were good. I took them apart. And so I'm putting those cells in here, and now the battery works. It's shows three lights. That's a full charge, so it never got full before.
Play a tune for me. Okay, let's hear it.
So this will all be painted white. I took
Still
the
no
old,
shirt, wearing no
I
shirt.
took the old marble board out, marble slab, put wood, have it wrap around. Gonna trim this out here. This will all be painted white. So thinking that I'll just have it flush with this, which inside will be painted white. This will be painted white. So it'll hang over like a ½ inch. Then I'm also gonna put a board under here. You know, so this will hang over. I don't know if I'm gonna miter this or just keep it square. What do you think?
I don't know.
It's probably fine square. Then there'll be a decorative like header. This is like 3½ inch. It's called a 1x4, but I'll do a 1x5 up here with some other fancy trim in that. I think it'll look really nice.
Yep. And this is the marble slab that you took out of the other one. That's what it looks like. So we're getting rid of those.
Yeah, I got one more. Those are pretty easy to get out, not too hard. And yeah, I'm gonna adjust this a little bit so it fits a little better. But I think that's gonna look good.
I think you can see my reflection. Is my crown on?
Yeah, you look like the Burger King. Did you go to Burger King?
Oh, it's my birthday weekend. So the renovating continues. Next up is windowsills, as he showed you, and we are getting, yes, I am. And we are getting smart shades soon. And it is my birthday weekend, and I am the queen of this castle, and nobody can tell me no when I ask them to do something. And it's off to a good start so far, and everything I say goes because it's my birthday weekend and I'm queen of the castle. It is Sunday, November 7th, I believe. Still, is it November 7th? I think that's right? 2021. We have almost reached the end of 2021, and this project is continuing, this home reno 2021. We have smart blinds that will be coming within the next week or two, hopefully, I think. And AJ has been working on building frames for our windows, the window sills.
The windows aren't very deep. These ones are plenty, but the back rooms aren't deep enough for the blinds. So do this trim, and I think it'll make it look nice anyway, you know?
Yep. It's gonna look awesome. He's listening to the tech podcast as he works. We've been painting these things out in the front yard.
Cut this a little bit.
I don't know, our house isn't in the perfect, neat, orderly
Looks great.
model home way, but I don't know the last time I filmed our progress. You can see there's definitely toys and lunch. Where's the pencil?
It's on the, what you call it? The countertop by the air compressor.
Oh, I see it. That's your son's pencil from his
I know, I'm
tool.
using them. He just threw them out, threw them away. These things are great. And the pencil sharpener. I'm using his tools, Jenny.
Oh.
Yeah, I confiscated them.
So, I don't know if I filmed this yet or not, but this is our rug that we absolutely love. We got that from Home Depot, which I'm actually a Home Depot affiliate, but it's kind of a pain in the butt to deal with affiliate stuff because the money is so little, I guess. I don't know. But maybe I can put a link at the bottom for this Home Depot rug. We love it. It was like $179. It's, I don't know if you want to see my foot, but it's really, really nice. It's like a white, but then when you turn it, you can definitely see like the cream color come out. The Roomba will roll over it sometimes, and then other times it will bump into it and not go over it. So I have started rolling the rug up, like I pull it up towards the ottoman so that the Roomba can get around and vacuum and stuff. But this is our kitchen, not in perfect order, but I don't know what I've shown recently. This is probably not the best time to be updating. I don't know if I've shown the completed project of the Backsplash. And I have the lights underneath are an orange tint. I've been doing that for like October and November. So, trying to think if there's anything else that I need to update. The house is like clean and then messy and then clean and then messy and then clean and then messy. And then that's kind of the routine of how it goes. We did mount the TV there, but he has to add an outlet and kind of hide all those cords and everything. We now have signs directing for friends and family to leave their shoes at the door, but the only reason for that is because we have that nice rug that we want to try to preserve and conserve as much as possible. And this, we actually had a painting party today. My son is sleeping. And actually we had a painting party last night. And this is some of our artwork, so that's kind of covering our countertop. So that's all.